Guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 100. No, today is no days because this video is all about telling about my relapse. Yes, today I got relapsed and I need to stop it as soon as possible, and I'm also getting mad about it. So basically, it's nothing about it, and I will make sure that I will create videos like that, so that if I get relapsed again, and I will tell you that why I get relapsed or this kind of stuff. And also today I got relapsed because it was a carving from my mind and my body, so that it really needs a full stack of dopamine and this kind of thing. And I completed 100 days in nofap, and that's what my great achievement, of one of my achievement. But the thing is, I also get addicted to fapping in another time, so I really need to stop it as soon as possible. And my goal is to create this kind of video if I get another time relapse. If I not, then you'll get never, you are not getting this kind of video anytime. And at the end, I will and I do.